Bismillah Rahman Rahim. A very warm welcome to all the students to your first maths video lecture of this new session. Firstly, I would like to congratulate all of you on getting promoted to your new class. Keep working hard and believing in yourself. This year for class 8 and 8 we are following new Get Ahead from Oxford for class 8, and then for class 9 and matric we are following this in textbook board. I would like you all to go through the index of these books, look at the different topics, identify the topics, familiar topics which we have done in your lower classes. We are going to proceed as per the sequence given in the textbook. But since you are now in your higher classes, your maths difficulty level will also increase. You will have to you need to be more attentive, you need to do more practice, as well as you need to start asking more questions. So before starting with the first chapter, I would like to give you some important points. I would like to tell you some important points, give you some important tips which will be very helpful to you throughout this sessions. Firstly, begin with a very positive mindset. I have students coming to me and telling that, sir, please help me with this maths question. I am not that good at maths, or I don't like maths. So first of all, you need to change your mindset. Nobody is a maths person. You just need to learn some concepts, you need to remember them, and then you need to learn to apply them. Okay, maths is not a magic. You just need to understand, and then you need to practice in order to remember. Nobody is born with some math skills or what. Okay, so firstly, change your thinking, have a positive mindset towards maths. Secondly, pay complete attention to your video lectures. You need to have your complete attention during your video lecture, while watching the video lectures. Make sure you are not writing anything while watching the explanation. Try to concentrate on the explanation. Try to learn from the explanation first, and then you can pause the video and then you can write whatever you want to write. Okay, or if you can take down notes, you need to first pause the video and then take the notes, so that this way you will not miss anything from the explanation. Next is, you need to read the question very thoroughly. The question is one of the most important part. You need to read the question and try to understand it first. Do not just jump on the solution. Most of the students, after reading the question, they start thinking about the solution. First, identify that question, identify the type of the question, and then proceed. Okay, if you follow this, if you make this a habit, then this will be very useful for you throughout the session, as well as in your higher classes also. Next, treat your video lectures as your real lectures. When it comes to online classes, you need to have a discipline. You need to sit down and you need to say that, yes, I am going to work on this. So you have a flexible time. You can choose to complete your work during the day, but you cannot put it off indefinitely. You need to show dedication towards your studies. Okay, so be very dedicated towards this lecture. In a day, you will be having you will be having 4 different video lectures of 4 different subjects. So make a daily schedule and follow it very religiously. Make a schedule, make sure every day at the same time you are sitting to watch your video lecture. Okay. The next step is that you need to practice, and practice. Maths is all about practice, as they say that practice makes men perfect. How can you practice? Watch the sums getting solved. Learn how whatever is done in the question. Open your copy. Try to solve the same sum. And if you are stuck somewhere, then go and view the solution. And timely, while solving the questions, I will be giving you some important questions for practice as well. So you can pause the videos and then you can solve them. And the last but the very important tip is that take help. Take help Do not hesitate in asking questions. You will be given some time slots where you can connect with us online, and then you can ask us questions. Utilize that time which is provided to you. Utilize that time and ask whatever your doubts, get them cleared, get your concepts cleared, and then only move further. So that is all for today. Please make sure that you try to follow all the tips which has been given, and your today's homework is that you need to list down common number sets. Okay, list down as many as common number sets that you can list. You can research about the common number sets, and then you can list them down. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video and stay safe.